Hey, what's up, guys? Joe here, and welcome to 365 Web X. It's been a while, and we are back here again to GMB, Google Business Profile. We're going to be looking at whether um, after all the changes that Google have made, we'll see if we'll be able to verify our business. Now to do that, let's go. This video, this video, at least it's a video, a future video that I would say it's actually a 2024 experimental video. I've done a whole lot of video on GMB verification. It has worked, and hopefully it has helped a lot of people. And for some, it was. Some people do complain that it didn't work for them, but at least majority of the people said all the processes I showed you on how to go about verifying your business has worked for them. Now, a lot has changed. Google is changed things every day, okay? And with those change comes, difficulties. With those change now, it becomes difficult for people to actually use Google products. And you're not the only one who is in that shoe. I am as well. So let's see how we can actually verify a business in 2024. Click Add Business here. I'm going to do single business, of course. I'm going to say maybe Royal TV NG. Take that. I would say media. It's a media house here. Okay, the category. So you just type your category, and let's click next. Then I'm going to say, so do you want to add a location customers can visit, like a store or office? Yes, we have an office. So enter the address. We are in Nigeria, so I would say KM14. So here I've filled out the address for this business, and I'm going to click next. Do you provide deliveries or home and office visits? For example, if you visit or deliver to your customers, you can let them know where you are willing to go. So let's say no. And then here we are expected to enter our phone number. Let's do this. So here we're going to enter HTTPS column. HTTPS column /TV.ng. So here we have our phone number, and of course you're supposed to select automatically. It selects your country for there, so you enter your phone number. Then here you have the domain name. Now, the reason why you enter a website, if you do have, is that it makes it easy for you that you now have an option for Google to actually an email option that Google can send your verification code to. But if you provide a phone number, sometimes, I'm not going to lie to you, it's sometimes the call never comes in. But let's go ahead and try and see if we can get a call. Here we go. Now you can see you have an option for a call, but I'm not going to do a call because calls have not been coming in for some times now. So I'm going to do, you have three options: video verification, phone code, and email code. So let's do email code. So get a code sent to an email address on this domain. Can you see that? So I'm going to click yep, and here you can see it's an info, and if you want you can go ahead and create your email and change it, maybe info or GMB or whatever, and let's click next and enter the 5 code here. So let's see if the code has arrived. Okay, here is the code you requested. So as you can see, here is the code. It has just been sent now. Can you see that? Here's the code. It has arrived, guys. So I'm going to come down here. Where is GMB? I'm going to come down here and paste this code here. You can see it's easy this way. Over times now you are now verified. You are now verified. You can reply to reviews, turn on chat, and more. Let's click next. All right. So let's set opening date. Have Mondays, 5. No, it's 8. Sorry, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Nigerian time, anyways. 5. So I'll just do the same thing for both of these. Okay. Then copy this, enter here, 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 and here. So let's click next. Now add messaging. Yes, accept message. So your customers can message you. So let's go and copy. Let's get a description for Royal TV. So I'm just going to paste this here. So click next. Add, drag here. You're expected to add some photos, and okay. So as you can see, we have actually done justice to this. It's processing. Okay, this is normal. When you're done, you have to give Google the time to process your verification, and of course, if you meet the criteria, then you have a check mark like this. Okay, so that is how you verify a business in 2024. Like I said, sometimes the calls don't come in, so it will do you a lot of good to have a website, and then from there Google can send you an email send your verification code into your email, but it has to be your website email. Okay. Because Google is looking for that. Of course, they are going to go through the website and um, I mean, see if it's a legit website, and then go through other, processing processes, which is why this thing here is called processing. Okay, so after that is done, you should see a check mark like this. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time in another video. Bye bye.